Hey, what's up guys, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna teach you affiliate marketing A to G step by step for free. Okay, I'm not selling anything, I'm not selling any course in this video. Everything going to be free, everything going to be practical. Okay, I will show you each step on my laptop today, and I will show you how to choose product, how to promote it, and how to make the commission. Everything A to G step by step for free. Okay, but guys, before we start this video, I have brought a giveaway for you all. Okay, I will give $100 to three of you in this giveaway. Okay, and to participate, what you have to do is number one, like this video. Okay, number two, put a comment below down this video. So these are the two steps that you have to do to participate in this giveaway. Okay, and you can use that $100 to buy some program, to invest in ad, or I purchased my first used laptop for the $200. Okay, so you can even use that $100 to buy some phone or laptop. So you can use that $100 whatever way you want. So guys, to participate, do these two steps. Okay, and your entry will be confirmed, and once this video gets 100 likes, I will announce the result of the three lucky winner. Okay, so now guys, let's move to the video, let's move to the tutorial which I'm going to show you today on affiliate marketing. Guys, the first thing before you do affiliate marketing is what actually is affiliate marketing. Okay, so look guys, basically in normal business what happens is you create a product, okay, and then you market a product and you sell it and then you make money, right? Also you have to do customer service. So basically you are doing everything in a normal business, from creating the product to the customer support. So all this ecosystem you are handling yourself, and it is too much headache when you are new, when you are beginner. So in that case guys, affiliate marketing is a miracle. Okay, basically what it does is, here in affiliate marketing you promote someone else's product. Okay, so here you don't need to create product, you don't have to have the headache of customer support. Okay, you don't have to have the headache of fulfillment, nothing. No product creation, no customer support, no product fulfillment. You just have to do the marketing part. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do is the marketing part. You promote it on Facebook, Google, YouTube, and when you make sale, that's how you make the commission. 30%, 50%, even 100%, depends on the products. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketing is, and I like affiliate marketing because of this reason. I don't have to do customer support, I don't have to do product fulfillment. I just market it and I make commission. Okay, so guys, there are several affiliate network. Okay, if you go on a Google here, okay, if you go on Google and if you type top affiliate network, okay, if you type top affiliate networks, okay, here you can see share a sale, okay, ClickBank, CG affiliate, Amazon associates. So guys, these are the top affiliate networks where you can join and you can promote the product. Okay, similarly you can search best affiliate networks, best affiliate networks. So again, share a sale, ClickBank, CG affiliate. Okay, so similarly guys, you go on Google and you type top affiliate network and then you join. So here in this video guys, I will take the example of ClickBank. Okay, and I like ClickBank personally myself as well, because it's really very trusted website. Okay, if we go at the bottom here, let's see. Okay, so guys, this website, this ClickBank network, it has been in the market for over 20 years, as you can see here, 20 years. Okay, and it is in 200 countries, and it has paid in more than $4 billion. So as you can see guys, this affiliate network has paid over $4 billion. Okay, and it's a guarantee that when you make sale, these affiliate network will pay you. Okay, because they are very trusted. Okay, so it's their guarantee because they have been in the business for several years, and as you can see, they have paid ton of money to their affiliates. Okay, so once you make account on ClickBank, which is very easy, you just click on sign up. Okay, and then you just fill your country name, first name, last name, phone number, email, password. Okay, and then you fill all the details, click confirm, and then you will confirm your email and your account will be ready. So guys, now let's go to the ClickBank dashboard. So as you can see guys, this is ClickBank dashboard. Okay, first what you will be doing is you will click on marketplace. Okay, and this is the marketplace. So on the left hand side you can see that there are mainly several categories. Okay, like you can see arts and entertainment, there are several categories here. Okay, then you're gonna click on fiction, there are several categories here. Then you're gonna click on game, there is several category here. Okay, then you're gonna click on health and fitness, there is several subcategory here. So basically guys, choose the subcategory that you are interested in. Okay, because what happens is when you are interested in a subcategory and in a sub niche, okay, and when you promote that niche, what happens is because of your interest you would be able to understand the audience of that product. Okay, you will be able to understand the ads, the promotion method. Okay, you will be able to understand the psychology of that audience. So choose the niche, choose the subcategory which you are interested in to promote. Okay, so like in health and fitness, you can see that dietary supplement, diet and weight loss. Okay, there are many subcategories here. Similarly, you can see where is the business, let me check. Yeah, e-business and e-marketing. Okay, if you click on affiliate marketing. Okay, so here you can see guys, this product, okay, it pays, where is that? Yeah, this product guys, here it pays $46. Okay, $46. So basically what you do is you click on promote. Okay, and then you click on generate hope link. So this is your affiliate link guys. Okay, so this link you have to promote. Okay, if you open this link on a new tab here, okay, if you will open this link here, so this is the product guys. Okay, so this is the affiliate product guys. Okay, so when you promote this item, when you promote this product, you make $46 per sale. Now imagine making 3 to 4 sales every day, that will be $150 to $200 per day. Okay, and that will be $5,000 to $6,000 per month. And basically guys, similarly if you click on search icon here, okay, if you click on search icon here, you will be able to see the products. So one very effective way to find what product is very popular right now, what product other affiliates promoting, is to just click here. Okay, and click on gravity. So you can see gravity high to low, which means that more the gravity, more affiliates are promoting that product. It means that those affiliates are making money, that's why they are promoting that particular product, right? So more gravity means more affiliates are promoting that product and there is a possibility to make money, that's why they are promoting. Now guys, if I scroll down here, at the very top the product which comes is called Accepure, right? So if I click on Accepure promote, but before that, look at this guys, they pay $153 per sale, one single sale. Now imagine if you just make one sale every day, that would be 4,500 monthly. That would be 4,500 monthly. Now think, you can make 2 sales, 3 sales per day, that would be just double of that. Okay, so similarly if you click here guys, okay, you just generate the hope link. Okay, this is your affiliate link which you have to promote. Okay, and if you open this link here, let me open this link. So this is the product Accepure. Okay, this is a weight loss product, diet product. Okay, and they pay $153. So now guys, we're gonna take this product Accepure as example and I'm gonna show you how to promote this product. So basically guys, there are two ways to promote any affiliate product. Okay, the number one is the organic traffic, okay, which is called free traffic, and the number two is the paid traffic. Okay, so first I will show you the organic method. So let's go to the Instagram. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is Instagram, right? This is Instagram that you daily go to and you see your news feed. Okay, and you see the post. So on Instagram what happens guys, there are two types of pages. Okay, one is called theme page, one is called personal page. Okay, so if I just go here and if I just type here LN, okay, So these pages guys, these pages are personal fan page, okay, these are personal pages, but there are theme pages as well. So if I go here, if I type keto, okay, keto, so these are the theme pages guys, okay. Now look at this. So here you can see guys, this post has 464 likes, right? Here you can see 3000 likes, here you can see 61,000 likes, here you can see 500 likes. Let's click on this product, okay, let's click on this. So guys, basically what they normally do is they post 4 to 5 normal pics, okay, and on the 5th or in the 6th photo they say that check the link in my bio, okay. There would be something like that, check the link in their bio. If not in that, then there would be in this one. Let's see. So here they are saying that follow keto guide to get daily tips and recipes, okay. So what happens guys, here in the same post sometimes they say check out the link in my bio, okay, and they ask their audience to click the link and check out their product. So if I just go to the link that they have given in the bio, let me check. So here as you can see guys, if I click here custom keto plan, okay, there we go guys, this is a ClickBank product, okay, custom keto diet, okay, this is a ClickBank product that they are promoting. If we just search custom keto diet, okay, let's go on ClickBank custom keto. There we go guys, as you can see here custom keto diet, okay, this is the product that this page is promoting, okay. They are promoting a ClickBank product. So that's what it guys, okay. You make a theme page, but it's very important to make a page on a particular niche. Let's say if you're promoting a health related products, okay, basically there are three niches, mainly three niche: health, wealth and relationship, okay. So when you are on Instagram, you have to make niche specific fan page, okay, not a general page. So let's say one day you are posting some keto diets, next day you are posting how to make money, next day you are posting how to talk with women. So there your audience will confuse, okay, some audience will engage, someday they will not engage. But let's say you're promoting a health product, okay, and you are posting health related pics, video, transformation video, okay, you are promoting these type of contents, so your audience will be purely health related. So whenever you will put some call to action like, hey guys, check out the link in my bio, I tried this product and this is amazing, so in that case those audience will really check out the link, okay. So guys, similarly if just type keto tips, keto recipe, okay, keto personal diet, as you can see guys, again over 1000 likes, okay, 182 likes, 400 likes, here 453 likes. Now imagine guys, out of these 453 likes, let's say just 1% is the conversion rate, okay, that would be about 4 sale. So that 4 sale, let's say that product is paying just $100 multiply 4 sale equal to $400 from one single post, okay. So that's the thing guys, but here is the thing, you don't put your link or you don't ask the audience to check the link in every post. Like you post 4 to 5 contents of value, then in the 5th or 6th content you promote the product, okay. Otherwise if you ask the audience to check out the link in every post, they will think that you only promote the product, okay. So it's better to give them some value for and then promote your affiliate product, okay. So this is the one method of promoting your affiliate product on ClickBank, okay. Now other than Instagram, the second thing is Facebook. Now guys, if I type keto on Facebook and if I go on group, you can see that there is a ton of group related to Facebook, okay. Here you can see keto easy recipe for beginners. Here you can see 100,000 members, okay, 100,000 members in a group, okay. Keto for beginner, oh my god, 1.6 million members, okay. Keto and low carb for beginner, 200,000 members. So these are the members guys, okay. Similarly you can go on Facebook. If I type here affiliate marketing, okay, and I go to group, So similarly guys, you can see on affiliate marketing there is sit lot of group, right? So if you go any of these groups, okay, you go any of these groups, okay, and then you post some value, like you can see you post some value, okay, and once you have posted some value, you ask the people to join the group, to join your personal group if you have, or you can simply ask these people to join you on your personal profile, okay. So they will come to your personal profile. You can even bring them to your personal Facebook group, and then you can promote affiliate product, okay, related to the niche. So this is the second method. Now there is another method guys, like if I come here on ClickBank, okay, and if I search the top product, the top product is Xcipure, right? So if I simply just go on YouTube here, okay, and I just type Xcipure, okay, Xcipure, I just type Xcipure. So you can see guys, these people have made reviews of the Xcipure, like Xcipure review, okay, Xcipure review, okay, Xcipure review. So all these people have made Xcipure review, okay. And if I go on to these videos, okay, if I go to these videos, okay, let's go to these videos. So if I go to this video guys, okay, you can see this person has put the affiliate link, okay, here you can see in the description box. And this video was uploaded, let me check, this video was uploaded 2 weeks ago, okay. So imagine guys, this video has got 7,000 views, okay, 7,000 views. Now imagine out of those 7,000, if there is just 1% conversion rate, how many sales there will be from just one single video. So basically guys, people are making hundreds of dollar every day using this organic method, using this free traffic method, okay, and these people are making these sales on ClickBank products. Now imagine similarly, this person, he uploaded the video like tomorrow, yeah, he uploaded the video like a day ago, and he has got already 400 views. Now there are several products on ClickBank, and now imagine how many reviews you can make every day related to ClickBank, and you can put out on the YouTube, okay. So these are the organic methods guys to promote your affiliate products, okay. That's how you can make hundreds of dollars every day promoting these products and these affiliate products, okay. Now let's talk about the paid traffic, okay. So paid traffic, let's talk about the Google Ads, okay. So here this is Google Ads Manager, this is the place where you set the actual ads, okay. Now if I go on Google here, and then I go on ClickBank, here is the product called Xcipure, right? So if I go to Google, okay, and if I search on Google Xcipure, okay, you can see that Xcipure ads, right? These are the Xcipure ad, Xcipure ad. Now think how many sales these affiliates are making because their ads are coming on the first page, okay. Similarly, you can get your ads coming on the first page and you can make those sales, okay. Similarly, if you go to the ClickBank again, there is another product Java Burn, okay, and if I search here Java Burn, okay, Java Burn, look at this, all these are Java Burn ads, okay, Java Burn ad. So basically guys, what happens is when people search on Google, okay, they are hot audience, okay. Basically there are three types of audience: cold audience, okay, warm audience, and hot audience. So people who search on hot audience, they already know about their problem, they already know about their solution, and they just need one push and they will buy that product. So these are the ads you're gonna show to your hot audience. Since they are hot audience, they will buy the product, and getting sales is very easy with these kind of ads, okay. And imagine if you run ad of a review video, okay, like you see YouTube ad, right, in your YouTube feed. Now imagine you made a YouTube review on Java Burn or Xcipure, okay, and then you started running ads on that review video. Imagine how many sales you can make, okay. So that's the beauty of running a paid traffic with hot audience, okay. Because what happens is when people see that, maybe they will not buy, okay, because they would be doing some work, or maybe they are driving, or they are in the middle of work, they later come and they buy. So you have to run hot audience ad, okay, on Google or YouTube, okay, and sales will happen. And when you run paid ads, when you run hot audience ad like YouTube ad or Google ad, sales are more frequent, okay. And imagine how many sales you can make on Google ad or just doing an YouTube ad, okay. So these are the methods, guys, of doing affiliate marketing, okay. These are the methods that I have been doing so far, and it's really so effective, okay. All these peoples you are seeing here, all these peoples you are seeing here, all these peoples are making shit lot of hundreds of dollars every day using this strategy, okay. So before I go, I would like to ask you again, okay, if you really want to win this giveaway $100 each to 3 person, okay, go ahead, follow these 2 steps, okay, and you will be able to participate in the giveaway. And as soon as this video hit hundreds like, I will announce the result of 3 winner, okay. So I hope you like this video. Go ahead, participate in the giveaway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.